crews have been doing a big-time facelift on a 30-year-old pool. Today, the doctor's in and he's prepping for surgery.
Because of the settling, this pool sustained a crack in the gunite. And what we're going to do here is cut the crack out, and we're going to use what they call stitches. Basically, we drill the holes into it, and the stitches lock in and pull together, keep the crack from spreading any further.
John begins by actually opening up the crack even wider and cleaning out some previous caulking attempts. Then he cuts and chisels out a recess in the pool shell for the metal plate, the stitch. Holes are drilled into the masonry, and anchoring adhesive is injected, metal bolts are inserted, and the stitches are tightened to help close the crack forever.